Hey guys, welcome to How to iOS YouTube channel. As you have seen the title, in this video I will show you how you can jailbreak with Audacity Jailbreak iOS 13 to iOS 13.7. You can see the spotted devices on your screen right now. Audacity Jailbreak comes with Celio instead of Cydia to install the tweaks. So what is covered in this video? All the timestamps given below in the description. Let's start the download the Audacity Jailbreak tutorial. First of all, you need to download the ArtStore in your device. As this video is about Audacity Jailbreak, I will just speed up the process for installing ArtStore. I already have made comprehensive tutorials about installing ArtStore on a Mac computer and installing ArtStore on a Windows computer. If you are a Windows user, go and watch the other tutorial. I will put its link in the cards now and in the description as well. So let's start the process to install the ArtStore in your Mac computer first. Open the Safari browser and go to artstore.io website. From here, you need to download the Mac OS version of the Art server. Once it is downloaded, double click on the downloaded file. First it will verify the Art server. After that, a dialog box will appear. Just click on the open. Right after that, you will see the Art server logo at the top right corner of your Mac screen. You can see that. Now, before we install the ArtStore in our device, first we need to install the Mail plugin. Click on the Install Mail plugin and click on the Install Mail plugin again in the pop-up. After that, it will ask you to put in your computer's password. Now open the Mail, go to its preferences, click on the Manage plugins and make sure this hard plugin.mail bundle is selected. Do not close the Mail app, keep it open in the background. Attach your device to your computer. Click on the Art server icon, go to the Install ArtStore option and click your device's name. It will ask you to put in the Apple ID and password. Here you need to put in the same Apple ID and password you are already logged in on your device, and also make sure you are on the same Wi-Fi network on your computer and on your device for installing the ArtStore. Hey guys, if you have made this far in this video, subscribe to my channel for more iOS related videos. Also like the video. In case you see this error message, installation failed, this means you need to enable the Wi-Fi sync for your device. For that, go to Finder, click on the device from the left list and click on the sync. Once the sync is done, you can try again. You won't see this error again. Click on the Art server icon and again put in your Apple ID and password. And you will see the pop-up stating installing ArtStore into your device. And once the ArtStore installation is done, you will see another pop-up stating installation succeeded. As you can see on my device as well, ArtStore is installed. Before we can open the ArtStore, we need to trust this application. Go to the settings, then go to the general device management, click on your Apple ID and trust the ArtStore from there. After that, you will be able to open the ArtStore. Now we need the Audacity Jailbreak IPA file. For that, open the Safari browser, go to this website. Tap on the download.ipa. The Audacity Jailbreak IPA will start downloading in your device. Once the application is downloaded, open the ArtStore. Tap on the My Apps section, tap on the plus icon and select the Audacity Jailbreak IPA file. The ArtStore will ask you to put in the Apple ID and password. Put in the same Apple ID and password you put in your computer while installing the AltStore. Once you are signed in with your Apple ID, the Audacity jailbreak will start installing on your device. As you can see, Audacity jailbreak is successfully installed in our device. Now I will show you how you can use the Audacity jailbreak to jailbreak your device. Open the Audacity jailbreak app and tap on the big jailbreak button. Your device will restart a couple of times in the process. And make sure your device is not connected to your computer. Tap on the jailbreak button. At the first attempt you will see this, your device will reboot. Again, after the reboot, open the app and tap on the jailbreak. In the second attempt you will see this. And after that your device will respring and you will have the Celio in your device's home screen. Open the Celio, go to packages, first upgrade all the packages. And for installing tweaks, tap on the search icon and search for any tweak. Let's install the Pfizer tweak as it's already compatible with iOS 13.7. So I can install it right away without checking its compatibility. Later in this video I will show you complete process how you can check the tweaks compatibility before you actually install them. Because if you install an incompatible tweak, you are in trouble. As you can see, Pfizer tweak is successfully installed. Now I will show you how you can check the tweaks compatibility before you can install them. Go to Google and search for this, tweaks compatibility GitHub. Click on the first link and go to this website. Here you can see the list of all the compatible tweaks. You can filter the tweaks by its name and iOS version. As the Audacity jailbreak is supported till iOS 13.7, let's select the iOS 13.7 here and search for a tweak. Let's search the bounce it. As you can see, it's compatible with iOS 13.7. I can easily install it in my device. This is how you can install the Audacity jailbreak in your device with AltStore. Subscribe to my channel for more iOS related videos. Thank you for watching.